To calculate your best offer, your maximum purchase price on a property, there's a few things we need to do. First, we need to look at the after repair value, the ARV. In our case, it's $400,000. And what does the rehab and repairs cost? Now we're going to start subtracting, right? So the repairs on this property is going to be $30,000. Our projected profit when we sell this property, when we flip it, we would like to make about $60,000. Now this obviously can go up and down depending on the property, the area, the circumstances, right? And you can adjust this to come out to your maximum purchase price. And also we have to minus the projected soft cost. In other words, when we sell the property, we're going to have closing costs, we're going to have realtor costs, and any other costs that you might have. I'm using about 7% here. It's probably going to be less, but that's a good ball around that I'm using from my area, and that's going to be another $28,000 in cost. And also, one of the items that a lot of people do not take into consideration, once I purchase the property and I'm holding it, rehabbing it, and then I have to list it and sell it, what are my costs during that period? Because you might have mortgage, interest payments, you're going to have water, electricity, you might have to put an alarm on the property while doing this. Your costs while holding it and then while listing the property to sell it. In this case, it's going to be about just almost $11,000. So once you take your after repair value, minus your rehab, your repairs, how much profit you want to make at closing, what your costs are to sell the property, minus all the holding cost during the period of rehabbing and listing. In this case, the maximum purchase price should be around about $271,000. And depending on the numbers that you place here, of course, your best offer is going to be according to that. If you're going to wholesale this property, then you can place your wholesale fee. In our case, it'll be, let's say, $5,000. So us as wholesalers, our maximum purchase price will be about $266,000. And we would turn around and then wholesale it to our client through $271,000, which would be the number that would make sense for our real estate investor.